Good morning, I'm back, it's Shanna. I literally just ended my last video and I wanted to jump right into making a pairs video for my little bird tarot because I'm excited. So that's what we're doing. I have a big stack here, so I won't go into a ton of detail and I won't flip a ton of cards per deck just to keep this relatively concise. But if there's anything you want to see, if there's any deck you want to see paired, if I have it, I can definitely do it. So just leave a comment. If there's any deck that we go over today that you want to see more of, again, just comment and I will see if I've got time. I can put something longer together, but as it is, this is my little bird tarot, and we're going to start with the Poesis Oracle. Now, I just got this in. When I first saw it, I was like, I'm absolutely not going to get that deck because it's not me at all. But the more I saw it, the more I don't know, it just started screaming at me, buy me. So I did, and I adore it. It reminds me a lot of the Reclaim Oracle. The artwork is similar, but I feel like this one speaks to me better. I've never even pulled out the Reclaim to use, and I'm really excited to use this one. And it looks really, really pretty with my deck, which of course makes me happy. So I think the colors are great together. I like that the titles sort of align. That just feels nice to my brain. So we've got Courage, the Hierophant, and Leap. Fear, King of Swords, and Play. Balance, Queen of Pentacles, and Create. Struggle, Six of Wands, and Illuminate. Let's do one more. Home, Page of Pentacles, and Feel. I just think that's really pretty. I very much enjoy this deck. And for anyone who's wondering, this is kind of, I want to say rose petal, but like the slippier kind. It doesn't stick. It fans nicely. Not perfectly, but nicely, and it shuffles really well. So that is that. Next up, we have the Divine Ephemera by Krista Chronicles, which I'll be honest, I bought this specifically because I knew it would look really good with my deck. I'm not a Greek myth aficionado, but besides the fact that I thought it would look good with my deck, I think Krista did an amazing job on this collage. Like, this looks flawless to me. I think it looks amazing. I'm super impressed. It's a beautiful cardstock. The backs are gorgeous. Like, yeah, an amazing job. So it was definitely worth it to get. Absolutely. Okay. Angel's Trumpet, Seven of Pentacles, and Grapevine. Now something that I like about this is because my deck also has plants. You know, you can play with the meaning of the plants on her cards along with the plants in my card, or in my deck. So I really like that. And obviously, you know, there's a lot that could be read into for these gods and goddesses, along with the meaning of the tarot card. I love the way the colors sort of vibe. We've got the yellows here. It just pulls out the colors for each other. Look looking at this card, this would be really pretty with Majestic Earth as well. Just a little FYI tidbit there. I won't even necessarily do one at a time here, but Hecate, the Tower, and Helios. Got Pan, Five of Wands, and Arianrod? Question mark. Brigid, Three of Pentacles, and Persephone. Perfect. Let's do one more. Freya, the Hanged One, and Carnunos. Alright, I lied. One more, and then we'll be done with this deck. Prometheus, Eight of Swords, and Zeus. I just like this. It's very summery vibes. Okay. Again, that is the Divine Ephemera by Krista Chronicles, and I will link everything below so you can find all of these decks. Next up, we have the Woodland Wardens. You had to know this one was coming. Their vibes are very similar. Colorways are very similar. And they feel like they came out of the same time, same era. So we got the Rooster, the Sunflower, Eight of Swords, the Cayman, and Poppy. The Fox and Ivy with Adaptability, Nine of Cups, the Frog and Lotus with Metamorphosis. The Snail and Huckleberry, the Lovers, and the Antelope and Wheat. You guys get the idea. It's just pretty. The tones are the same. All right. That is Woodland Wardens. Next up, with a very similar vibe, is the Thistledown Oracle. This one's very sweet. It makes me happy. Grief, Six of Swords, and Protection. Individuality, Eight of Wands, and Retreat. Navigation, Knight of Cups. And I love, obviously I love that there's birds in this deck as well. Some of these don't have keywords, which is fine. You can definitely utilize that or incorporate that into your reading. P.S. Look at this. The star and light. Yeah, this one's nice together. All right, one more of this one. Patience, Knight of Pentacles, and Guardedness. Perfection. All right. Next up, we've got Coastal Curiosities. This one just came in. I have not worked with this. I bought it secondhand on eBay. I had it saved on there so that I'd get notified if one came up, and it did, and I jumped because several people were watching it and I knew I wanted it, so it is now mine and I love it. All right, we've got Advantage, Page of Swords, and Connect. Adapt, the Chariot, and Cycle. Loyalty, King of Cups, and Depth. This one is probably my most favorite pairing of all of them. The colors just work. I like the big keywords. I like the images just with each other. It's perfect all around. Beauty, the world, and develop. Gradual, 9 of Swords, and discover. Interesting. Very interesting. Grand, 5 of Swords, and admire. All right, one more. Retreat, death, and impulse. Wow. This is interesting. And I just feel like the colors just like pull you in perfectly. Anyway, I digress. That is Coastal Curiosities. Next up, I've got Flower Medicine. I've not looked at this one, so I'm not totally sure how it will look together. But this is one of my favorites, so let's give it a shot. All right, 3 of Cups with Fidelity, Aster Fidelity, and Nesturium with Warrior Princess. Okay, I think this one looks nice together. These brighter colors kind of throw me, but let's see what else we have. Okay, that's nicer. I like the pinky orange that kind of comes through here. Carnation Mother, Ace of Pentacles, and King Protea. You guys, I don't know what all these flowers are, how you pronounce them. Stop laughing. Not sure how these vibe, I'll be honest. I feel like the colors kind of throw me a little. However, let's try a different one. A similar vibe, different deck. This is the Messenger. Gosh, every time. Inner Compass Oracle. I think that last deck was too big. It overwhelmed the tarot a little, in my opinion. This one's better. This one feels more cohesive, and also like it has a bird on it, so yes please. All right, we've got Manifestation, 7 of Wands, and Guide. This one feels better. This one feels more right. Magic, 4 of Cups, and Wisdom. Blocked, 8 of Pentacles, and Solitude. Listen, Page of Wands, and Divine Timing. All right, I had to pause. I'm not home alone today, so anyway, I really like this one. I'd say this is a close second to Coastal Curiosities. Let's not end on the 10 of Swords. All right, I've got one more here that's also a new deck. Oh, again, this is Inner Compass Oracle. Lastly, we've got the Color Mage. Now this one just came in. If you are familiar with this deck, it was previously out of print. The creator just, reopened orders for it. I don't know if it's like a permanent going forward thing or if it was a short time, but Quick note, the words are extremely hard to read, which everyone knew on, you know, the lighter colors. It was almost impossible in some light to read the text. But for some reason, they're just, I don't know, they're almost like, it's almost like the font. It looks splotchy, or I don't know, sketchy. Anyway, I just received an email from the creator, and it seems like if you are on their mailing list, you also received this email basically acknowledging this issue, and they are going to send out a new deck, a brand new deck. So that's awesome and really, really nice. So anyway, I'm not sure how I would use this deck specifically. I would probably honestly use it, let's go like this. I would probably do 2 tarot, and then I would probably shuffle the deck. Which, do I want to shuffle it? Sure, let's shuffle it. It is numbered, so that's nice. Also, I love these backs. I first saw this deck on Lisa's channel. It's definitely an older video. This is an older deck. And I immediately went to go buy it and realized it was out of print. This was one of my first experiences with out of print decks. So, bummer. Anyway, okay, so let's pull a card. Which one shall we pick? Let's go this one. So this is probably what I would do. And then do my reading from here. So this is interesting. I'm seeing the blue in the bird, you know. A little bit of blue in these leaves. So let's go like that. That's nice. Decisive action with Ace of Wands and Ace of Swords. Interesting. These are probably not well shuffled, the Oracle. Oops, gosh. So let's just randomly pick a few as we go. Pink. Justice and 10 of Cups. Let's let love enter. I don't know. What do you guys think about this together? I feel like some some colors would look really nice with it. Others not so much. Obviously, like the browns, the yellows. I don't know. I think I would have to have a specific task to utilize this deck with this particular tarot. So anyway, I'm going to leave it at that. I'm excited. Keep an eye here or Instagram. I've been posting reels on Instagram and then sharing them as shorts here. That will probably be the way that I share when I have a link ready for Kickstarter. So if you have any questions, definitely leave me a question, leave it down below in the comments, and yeah, I will catch you guys next time. Bye.